Huh.
Hey guys, gonna do a quick little thing here. Well, I don't know how quick. Gonna kind of overhaul a case to fit the Gecko. It's that 9-string that we're doing a series on right now, and I've got a couple of these regular rectangular, big cases. Yeah, so this case, just a standard case, inside like that, it's got the big pocket in the middle, and then for the headstock up front. But I noticed, excuse me, noticed a while back it had like some hard spots and stuff in it, and I was gonna just try to. They're really sharp, so I don't know, a couple years anyway, when I discovered this, I don't put any guitars in this thing, and I've been planning on just ripping the bottom out and repadding it and putting new fabric in. But now I've got this guitar that I want to actually sit and pack in well, so I'm going to use styrofoam with padding around it, and then black velvet over it, whatever this stuff really is. Just so that when you set the guitar in the case, it stays. Right now when you put the guitar, I have another case similar, and the neck just, it falls down over here, and so when you open the guitar, it's all sideways. So I was going to do that guitar case, but I had stickers all over it and stuff, so I didn't want to end up selling that guitar with a case that's got, old crappy stickers on it. So I'm going to take this apart. That's the plan. So I'm planning on saving this piece right here because it doesn't have any hard shards hanging out of it. I'm going to take it out, save it, and then when I cut the foam in to fit around the guitar, I'm going to line that with this so that it does that. So get the foam in place, take some black fabric, tuck it in next to the foam here over the edge here, and then glue this in the perimeter of the body shape. So I'll have to cut the body shape, half an inch that, so it'll just fit in there. Came out of there pretty good. Some of this area on this underside was stuck in such a way that it kind of got a little bit hairy. I should say it kind of left some hairy stuff on the case, but nothing huge, nothing ripped. I got to get all the fuzz off of there. I'm going to take the bottom fabric out or overlay it. I might just overlay it. I might wait on that until I see what I'm going to have available to cover it with. There's a lot of this sort of thing. Doesn't feel like some of it felt like it was just hot glued in place around the top of the edge maybe, and then other places they've got this that's much harder, much more, I don't know, plasticky, I was going to say glass. It's not that, it's just plastic. So some sort of a plastic adhesive. And I think that's probably what they, got got spilled onto the inside of the case, and then I would suspect that it got dribbled in there, and then they just wiped it off. And then once it dried, though, it left these little spikes, hard spikes sticking up out of the case. So I'm going to do some research and see what I can get for foam. I am going to look for styrofoam, actually, because if I cut it to the exact size, it's it's specific to this case. Foam rubber will tend to want to compress over time if it's left on edge, and I don't want that to happen. So I think I'm going to be looking for styrofoam and get a just to get a good snug fit, so that when it's in the case, it's in there and it's not moving around. Thinking shipping or traveling, that sort of thing. Well, that's it for now on this, and I'll keep you posted on what we do here. Thanks. We'll cut all that out. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.